Hey everyone, Jaden Daniels here, and today I want to share with you how to make your own Facebook cover using free software, and it looked pretty doggone good. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's just go ahead and jump into it. I had questions about how I made mine, so I wanted to do this little video. I think it will help a few of you just learning. The software I use is called Canva.com, Canva.com. All right, here just put Facebook. Your Facebook cover will come up. You can do an ad. You can do all kinds of images, graphic art, I guess you would call it. In here, you can do YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art, just anything. Instagram. Okay, I always choose a blank canvas. You can use any of these. That some of them, most of them are free that I've seen, but there are some that you have to pay for. Just you can edit all the text on it. So however you want to do it, you can use that. You can go to backgrounds, choose a background, whichever one you like. And like I said, most of them are free. I would just make sure it looks really clear. Okay, let me delete that. All right. What I do is I upload images. So how you do that, you just click right here, upload an image or video. Just go to your images on your computer, choose one, and just click open. I've already got the image I want on here, so I'm just going to go grab it. This is the image that I use for my background on my Facebook. Just get it to the size of the canvas. Make sure that the image that you upload is not real small, because if you have to resize it to the size of the canvas, it will look pretty blurry if it's too small. Okay, and after that, you might want to add some more images. Like this image here. I mean, it's a transparent image, and I will go over how to make your own images transparent. And one key thing I want to say now is just make sure you got your background is, if you take a picture, your background should be one solid color and not the color of what's on your shirt. So you don't want white right here. I'll explain all that later. I'm getting off on a tangent. Okay, I can add another image and just resize it and place it wherever I like. Then you can just add some text. Add a heading and just start typing. Or I guess I added two headings, so you don't want to do that. But let's just go up here and remove that one. You see, I hit it, just trash it over here in the corner, because evidently I hit it twice. So now I'll double click in there to highlight everything and just start typing. Move me back over here. Now you can change the color by clicking here, whatever color you might like. White. I'll go back to black. You can also change the size of it right here. You can make it bigger or smaller, whichever. Or you can actually do that right here too. Just resize it. You can move it around by clicking here. And when you see that line come up, that means you're in the center. Both ways. See it there too? Okay. All right, you can change the font by clicking here. The default font is this, Open Sans Extra. And you can just choose any font. They got a lot of fonts. Let's just try this one. You can also go back to text, add some more. If you want a subheading, you want body text, however you want to do it. They've got some kind of font combinations here you can try out. And just after that, you want to save it. I got myself off the edge over here. Let's see. Move it back over. You can save it. Say Facebook cover if you like. You go over here, click File, and save. Then you can download it. Click here to download. Go here to download. And you'll see an ad pop up. After this, you just close it. And there's your Facebook cover. Right? And there it goes. Then you just go to your page. I'll go to mine, which I won't change it, but let me go here, click on Facebook, click on my page. Move that out of the way. You see my Facebook cover here. You know, that's not on the cover. But you just, you know, you can just click here to update, upload photo, and then choose whichever one you like. So that's all I got for you. You know, that's all there is to it. And they'll let you move it around if you need to. But I guess that's all. Let me stop sharing my screen. All right. That's all I got for you. I hope that was kind of helpful. You know, if it was, please put a thumbs up and like the video, share the video if you like. All right now. But until next time, I'm Jaden. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks.